Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the home of cookbook recipes. I am Carol. I hope you enjoyed your holidays. I enjoyed my holidays. And welcome to 2025 in the home of cookbook recipes. Today's video is very special. We are going to... What are we going to do? Oh, we are going to reflect on the highlights of 2024 and the milestones that we achieved in that year, the small wins that we'll celebrate, and we look forward to 2025. I should have done this video a long time ago, but yeah, life is lifing. We thank God the day that I've gotten to do it. I thank God for that opportunity. So welcome to today's video. 2024 was full of delicious recipes, new kitchen adventures, and some unforgettable moments. For example, in 2024, that's when I got my videos. One of my videos hit over 1k what? 1k views. Let me celebrate my small win. Let me celebrate my small win, because content creation is not for the weak. Is not for the weak. If you are weak and if you are here to give up immediately, tembea, just go. So that one I'm celebrating for 2024. Another thing I'm celebrating for 2024 is I did Vlogmas. 25 days of Christmas cookies from around the world. Where it got to a point I was like, who told you to do those videos? I am giving up. I am tired. I'm doing videos at night till late. I wake up in the morning and edit, and then after editing I'm out looking for ingredients. This day I want to look for an ingredient. Where I drove Google Maps. Google Maps did not fail me that moment. It was because sometimes Google Maps can fail you. Where kitakuramba. So yes. What else? There's so many things that I thank God for my channel. Also in 2024, here are a few of my favorite recipes. There are many favorite recipes that I did in 2024, but I've just highlighted a few. And some of them are the Thanksgiving salad from the Energy Paradox by Dr. Gandry. If you've not watched that video, go watch it. That salad is 100. It's wow. It was so yummy, surprisingly nice. That one I won't lie. I was so surprised. I had mixed feelings with the uncooked Brussels sprouts, the uncooked broccoli, the uncooked kales. I was like, why are we eating things that are not cooked? Like, that first time, it was really nice. If you've not watched that video, go watch it and get the book, The Energy Paradox, but you can go to his Instagram page, check out the recipe and try it out first. Then of course you can get the book and try out more recipes. Another recipe that I loved is the sunken apple cake from Baked to Perfection. Woo! That was really nice, and it's gluten-free. If you've ever tried Baked to Perfection, the cookbook Baked to Perfection, all the recipes there are gluten-free. So check out the book and try out the recipes from there. Another recipe that I loved were the tiger nut cookies from Creative in My Kitchen, and also something else from Creative in My Kitchen, the protein packed egg muffins. Superb, yummy, sweet, everything. Check them out. They are from the website Creative in My Kitchen. And lastly, let me just give one more. The open-faced sandwich, the shmabob. I think it's the shmabob from the Living Well Without Lactic. Yeah, I think it's there. I think it's shmabob. The pronunciation might be so off, but that recipe was surprisingly good. I love cookbooks. I don't know what my life was before the cookbooks. I don't know what my life was before I discovered cookbooks, because the adventure, the different things that you get to enjoy, the different cultures that you or food that you're introduced to. I don't know my life without cookbooks. I just don't know. So these are just a few of the recipes that I did last year and I enjoyed, and I'm so excited for what is ahead of us this 2025. So as I wrap up the 2024 reflection and all that, I'm looking forward to trying out new cookbooks. And let me show you one of the cookbooks that I thrifted. I want to show you. Yeah, this is the book. One of the books that I thrifted. Yeah. So this were among the new cookbooks that I want to try out this year. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried it. What do you think about it? Because I've gone through it. Well, sort of a, I think it's just that book that you open and you feel so overwhelming. But once you try it out, you get into the rhythm of it, it becomes easy to do. This is a meal prep, because from the way I've seen, there are keto meal preps for a whole week. And we have how many weeks in this? So week 1 to week 8. Wow. Week 1 to week 8. So of course that means that we'll try out some meal prep. I also want to try out some batch cooking and some more kitchen adventures, and yeah, whatever else that the Lord will give us to do in this channel. We are open to many adventures, many things, many cookbooks. Yeah, what else? So welcome to 2025. Thank you for your support so far. Thank you for sticking around. I could not have done this without you. And yeah, so consider subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment below. See you next time as we start our recipe adventure. And let me know which cookbooks you want me to try out. And yeah, just let me know in the comment section how you want this channel to evolve this year. Or yeah, that's it. I love you all. Bye bye.